Amphibious, Indonesia. Amphibious excavators, engineered for dredging and waterway operations. AI02-8XEL and AI02-5XE, built for dredging and waterway operations. Safety and full flood condition, stable and controlled performance. Main pontoon and side pontoons, ensuring maximum flotation and balance. Spud system, secure positioning during operation. High productivity, reliable in demanding environments. From dredging to environmental projects built for demanding operations. Amphibious, Indonesia, your trusted dredging partner.